Assalamu alaikum. This is Ambassador Ghazala Khan, and our next topic is cultural diversity. So let's talk about cultural diversity. Embracing cultural diversity in the workplace is an important first step for businesses that want to be competitive on an international scale. From the Virgin Group to Disney and other organizations across industries are embracing the benefit of a diverse workplace. But with benefit necessarily come challenges of working across borders, cultures, and languages, right? At Halt, Disney diversity and global mindedness are integral to our DNA. Our mission is to prepare our students to thrive in a fast paced, unpredictable, and fundamentally international business environment. So, today our mission is to prepare you for a cultural diversity and so that you will be able to prepare your next generation inside your home, outside, inside the society, inside your community, and allow them to embrace the different cultures, to reduce the sexual and gender based violences, to increase the mental health, to increase the sustainability of the world, and to improve the peace and the dignity of the people. Okay? So let's dive into this. Cultural diversity. Cultural diversity is the existence of a variety of cultural groups within a society. Cultural groups can share many different characteristics, like, for example, culture, religion, ethnicity, languages, nationality, sexual orientations, class, gender, age, disability, health, differences in geographical locations, and lots of other things. Like this is the combination of flowers. मैं हमेशा एक मिसाल देती हूँ कि जिस तरह अल्लाह ताला ने बाग पैदा किए हैं, मुख्तलिफ फूल पैदा किए हैं, अगर सिर्फ गुलाब ही होता तो क्या हमारा दिल ना भर जाता? बिल्कुल इसी तरह जैस्मीन, लवेंडर्स और किस किस्म के फूल, इसी तरह इंसानों की भी वैरायटीज हैं। अल्लाह ताला ने अगर सबको एक ही जैसा गंदमी बना दिया होता या सबको ब्राउनिश कर दिया होता या सबको ही सफेद कर दिया होता तो शायद हम लोग एक दूसरे से उकता जाते। ये अल्लाह ताला की ही मेहरबानी है कि उसने जैसे अनवा इकसाम के फल, फूल, सब्जियां, इसी तरह इंसानों को भी उसने वैरायटी दी है और इसे कबूल करने में ही हमारी बड़ाई है। ठीक है ना? Usually, cultural diversity considers languages, religion, race, sexual orientation, gender, age, and ethnicity. But cultural diversity looks like this in a workplace, having a multilingual team, having a diverse range of ages working together, having policies that are vocally against discriminations. So, ये सबसे बड़ी एग्जाम्पल और सबसे बड़ा फायदा है। इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी supports the idea that every person can make a unique and positive contribution to the larger society because of rather than despite of their differences. So here are some types and areas. There are generally 4 different types of diversity: internal, external, organizational, and worldwide. And you should aim to understand and represent them all. And areas of cultural diversities are languages, spirituality, eye contact, gestures, and healthcare beliefs. Here are some 13 benefits and challenges of cultural diversity in the workplace. So let's explore it. G, diverse culture perspectives can inspire creativity and drive innovation. Our culture influences the way in which we see the world. A variety of viewpoints, along with the wide-ranging personal and professional experience of an international team, can offer new perspective that inspires colleagues to see the workplace and the world differently. Diversity of thoughts has been shown to breed creativity and drive innovation, helping to solve problems and meet customer needs in new and exciting ways. For example, cosmetic giant L'Oreal attributes much of its impressive success in emerging markets to its multicultural product development team. जी बिल्कुल, बहुत दुरुस्त है। आप लॉरियल को ले लें, आप एन फ्रेंच को ले लें, आप किसी भी ब्रांड को ले लें, डाइवर्स कल्चर्स को, उनकी मूड्स को, उनके नेचर्स को, उनकी स्किन टाइप्स को, उनके टोन्स को, उनको क्लोथिंग्स को, उनका लाइफस्टाइल, ये सब डाइवर्स टीम होगी आपके पास, देन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट। अगर एक ही कल्चर की टीम होगी, दे विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड कि दूसरा कल्चर जो है वो क्या चाहता है, हम अपने प्रोडक्ट में क्या इनोवेशन ला सकते हैं, और हम कैसे अपने सेल्स को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। जब तक इनोवेशंस नहीं होगी, डाइवर्सिटी नहीं होगी, सेल्स इंक्रीज नहीं होगी। तो यही बिजनेस के लिए है, यही रूल वर्क प्लेस के लिए है, और यही रूल घरों के लिए, मुल्कों के लिए, कम्युनिटीज के लिए है। Local market knowledge and insight makes a business more competitive and profitable. A multicultural workforce can give an organization an important edge when expanding into new markets. Often a product or service needs to be adapted to success overseas, right? Understanding local laws, regulation, and custom, as well as the competitive landscapes, can help a business to thrive. Moreover, local connections, native language skills, and culture understanding can boost international business development exponentially. And being more competitive ultimately means being more profitable. Diversity Incorporation annually recognize the top 50 most diverse companies and measures their success against the border markets. So recent research के मुताबिक McKinsey also underscores the fact that diversity is good for business bottom line. In fact, ethnically diverse companies were shown to be 35% more likely to have financial returns above the national industry meeting, right? So ये फवायद हैं डाइवर्सिटी के। और अगर हम इसको अपने जेंडर बेस्ड वायलेंस के पे भी लागू करें, तो भी जब तक आपका माइंड ओपन नहीं होगा, आप वेलकम करने को तैयार नहीं होंगे किसी भी कल्चर को, किसी रिलीजन को, किसी एथनिक ग्रुप को, किसी जेंडर को, हम इस काबिल नहीं होंगे कि हम उनकी मदद कर सकें, बल्कि हम अपनी मदद कर पाए, राइट। थर्ड पॉइंट पे आते हैं, कल्चरल सेंसिटिविटी, इंसाइट एंड लोकल नॉलेज मीन्स हायर क्वालिटी टारगेटेड मार्केट्स। So cross-cultural understanding along with local market knowledge lends itself the production of more effective marketing strategies and material. For example, high quality and culturally sensitive translations of websites, brochures, and other assets are essential. But these can be overlooked without the input of a native speaker. Even brands' taglines can get badly lost in translation. A frequently cited example is from KFC in China, whose chicken was marked as so tasty, you will eat your fingers off. So a poor translation of their brand tagline, finger licking good, right? So this is the side effect of कि अगर आपके पास native speaker ना हो आपकी company में. A memorable McDonald's print ad in Finland may have been considered clever locally, but it was seen as confusing and even grotesque by a foreign audience. The danger of making a serious marketing blunder, which can cause irreparable damage to a brand or business abroad, can be mitigated by employing a diverse workforce with local marketing survey. So these are the side effects, like even translations में भी problem हो जाती है, और जिसको आप local language में translate करना चाहते हो वो problem हो जाती है. Another benefit is drawing from a culturally diverse talent pool allows an organization to attract and retain the best talents. So diversity in the workplace and ensure that all your employees have the space, tools, and training they need to work together effectively. Diverse teams are more productive and perform better, and greater opportunity for personal and professional growth is available in the diverse group. So some challenges, हमारे पास challenges क्या हैं diversity में? Colleagues from some culture may be less likely to let their voices be heard. Integration across multicultural teams can be difficult in the face of prejudice or negative cultural stereotypes. Professional communication can be misinterpreted or difficult to understand across languages and culture. Navigating visa requirements, employment laws, and the cost of accommodations, workplace requirement can be difficult. जी बिल्कुल ये challenges हैं. Different understanding of professional etiquettes and conflicting working style across the team. Or it can be managed by a very wise group and the team of the leaders. Leadership skills are very important also. Without inclusive and diverse leadership skills, एक कंपनी को कंट्रोल करना और उसको ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाना भी एक डिफिकल्ट और चैलेंजिंग टास्क है, खास तौर पे आज कल के दिनों में. सो आते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ, revamp your hiring process. Diverse companies are made up of a diverse people. So if you want to create a more diverse workplace, it starts with the people you hire. Evaluate your current staff. Is there a truly diverse set of people represented? For example, do you employ both men and women as well as people with identify as LGBTQ? Do you have a high percentage of employees from different ethnic background, or is your team disproportionately white? Right. Do you have everyone from Gen Z to boomers, and your team are most of your employee under the age of 30? If you realize you are lacking diversity on your team, so it's a time to look at your hiring practices, right? हमारे यहाँ ये होता है कि जी अबाउ 70 इज नॉट केपेबल, इवन 50-60 के बाद भी हम उनको केपेबल नहीं समझते. अगर हालांकि ये एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हम अपने आप को पहुंचा रहे होते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज द विजडम हाउस, दीज आर द माइंडफुल्स, और इनके पास एक्सपीरियंस होता है, दे हैव द नॉलेज, सो वी कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट देयर whole life knowledge and implement it, and we can collaborate with the new generations under 30, above 30 and above 70 groups का एक combination बना के भी हम बहुत अच्छी तरह business run कर सकते हैं. Increase cultural competency. People from different cultural background may have different ideas or cultural expressions around work. And in order for teams to do their best work, it is important for leaders to identify those differences around work and create a space for those differences to effectively coexist. This concept is called cultural competence. ये competence, it is like एक किस्म की काबिलियत है कि आप किसी कल्चर और डिफरेंट कल्चर के लोगों को इकट्ठा करके लेके जा सकें. The ability for people from different cultural group and with different cultural ideas to be able to work together effectively. And if you want to empower diverse team best work, it is important to make cultural competence a priority within your organization. Otherwise, it can lead to conflict and challenges within the team. For example, let's say that your company currently employs people from 6 different countries, and all of which have, okay, 6 different countries नहीं लेते, हम अपने ही within our regions ले लेते हैं, within cities ले लेते हैं. हमारे सूबों में कितनी वैरायटी है, पंजाबी हैं, फारसी स्पीकिंग हैं, पारसी हैं, हिंदू हैं, क्रिश्चियंस हैं, हमारे पास खुद इतनी वैरायटी है. So let's say your company currently employ people from 6 different regions, and all of which have different attitudes and belief around work. If you just throw those people on a team together without any training or support, those different attitudes and belief can cause conflict, right? For example, let's say in the norm in a country, it creates a clear boundary between work time and personal time, while it is commonplace in country B to develop friendship with your co-workers outside of work. So without the prior context or training, employees from different countries from country B may be get offended when employees from country A declines their invitation for an after work get together. ये भी बिल्कुल possibility है. So if employees from country D see employees from country C or region C getting more time off without understanding why, it may lead to conflicts. Celebrate your employees' culture. Yeah. Cultural diversity is not just about recognizing cultures differences, it is also about celebrating them. So if you want your employees to feel seen, appreciated, and safe at work, celebrate their cultures in any way or another. For example, don't just host celebration for commonly recognized holidays, just like Eid ho gayi, Christmas ho gayi. You can also instead of hosting celebration for any holiday or mode of your employee celebration, like Chinese New Year हो गया, Pride of the Month हो गया, and more जिसमें आप co-workers को इकट्ठा कर सकें किसी न किसी तरीके से. So instead of catering lunch from the same sandwich shop every week, try ordering from different restaurants, which reflects the different cultures and different. So learn how to work together and how to celebrate the small things inside your business, right? Another है competitive global job market. जी जनाब, market global job market is very competitive and demonstrating that your business is invested in fostering a multicultural and inclusive environment can make your stand out to the right candidate. Making diversity an important part of the recruiting process will broaden your talent pool of prospective employees. Not only does hiring from a more diverse talent pool makes your business attractive to ambitious, globally minded candidates, and it also helps you to keep them on board, right? Interesting. Diverse workplace employees are more likely remain loyal when they feel respected and valued for their unique contribution. This in turn fosters mutual respects among colleagues who also value the diverse culture, perspectives, and experiences of their team members. An inclusive atmosphere of cross-cultural cooperation is an excellent way to bond colleagues and teams across the business. You want to empower your employees to do their best work, and part of that empowerment is creating an environment that fosters collaboration, encouragement, new and different ideas, and makes everyone feel safe and supported while they are at work. Right? It makes sense. बहुत जरूरी है. हम लोग हमेशा एम्प्लॉयज को इग्नोर करते हैं. We think that we are paying them for their time and we invested in them and they are supposed to do the work like the rules. ऐसा नहीं होता. इंसान को इंसान लीजिए और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की कदर कीजिए और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स पर इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी ही जो आपके स्टाफ है उनको वैल्यू करेंगे तो वो आपको छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि स्टाफ और द एम्प्लॉइज लीव द बैड बॉस, नॉट द वर्क प्लेसेस, क्योंकि उनको बॉस से डिफरेंसेस होते हैं. Cultural diversity. Okay, what is cultural diversity? First thing, like before we talk about how to embrace the cultural diversity in the workplace, let's quickly cover what exactly cultural diversity is. A system of beliefs and behaviors that recognize and respect the diversity, the presence of all diverse groups in an organization or society, and acknowledges and values their socio-cultural differences and encourages and enables their continued contribution within an inclusive cultural context, which empower all within the organization or society. Essentially, cultural diversity is about bringing the people together from a diverse set of backgrounds and cultures, then creating an environment that not only recognizes the differences between those cultures and backgrounds, but celebrates them, right? So it helps create a safe space for people to the authentically themselves. Cultural diversity में जो शामिल है, क्या includes है, which is race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, religion, language, gender, age, and disability. So why cultural diversity is important? because it is more inclusive work environment. If you don't have a variety of people working in your organization, it can cause certain people to be isolated. For example, in someone it is the only person from certain ethnic group like Asians or Africans or Americans or only women or only person with the disabilities that work for your company. So they may feel uncomfortable or singled out. So that could lead them to feel less engaged with their jobs and the organization as a whole, and could lead them to look for another opportunity, causing issues with employee retention, which your organization is culturally diverse and your team is made up of people from diverse background, diverse cultures, and diverse groups. So you have more types of people represented, which can make for a more inclusive environment at all. इसका और फायदा क्या है? Opportunities for learning and growth. Growth doesn't happen in an echo chamber. If you are only surrounded by people who look, think, and come from the same cultural background as you, you're likely to have a fairly limited perspective. When your organization embraces diverse culture, it exposes everyone to people within a different perspective, background, and experience. This can help everyone to grow, challenge their biases and stereotypes, learn from each other, and develop broader and more well-rounded worldviews, which can ultimately drive better business results. For example, as diversity drives growth within your team, your employees will be able to better understand and empathize with different types of people, including your customer. So which can lead to a better customer service and higher customer satisfactory levels. G. So now you know why it is important. See? Because you have to embrace other cultures. A diverse workforce is a major benefit to your organization. Bringing together people from different backgrounds and culture can help drive innovation, foster new ideas, and create a work environment that value equality, respect, and collaboration. And now that you know how to create a culturally diverse workplace and foster the culture competence necessary to empower your team's best work. You are armed with all the information you need to make cultural diversity a priority at your organization. G. So this is end for today's our class, and hope so that you enjoyed it very well, and looking forward to your more questions and more engagements. In future, we can do some more Zoom meetings, webinars, and conferences, and the classes like that, in which we can engage more and talk more about the leadership, the inclusive leadership, and how to embrace the cultural diversity, how we can work on our brain or psychological part for the more better results. Here are links which I already shared in the group, the WhatsApp group, and go for these quizzes and go for these links and get more benefit from these. So yeah, looking forward and see you. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed it.